Welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn. Today we are going to be making cold brew ginger tea using fresh ginger. But before I go on, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I make quick and easy recipes that I'm sure you are going to love. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it does help my channel. We're going to start off with the root of fresh ginger. When you're shopping for fresh ginger, it's best to look for one that is nice and plump with no major wrinkling or cracking on the skin. The skin should also have a fairly even color. This ensures that the ginger is of good quality. Make sure to thoroughly wash your ginger to remove any hidden dirt, leftover grime on the skin. Tough and thick skin is a sign that your ginger may be old and dried out. Dried out ginger won't give you that unique ginger taste you are looking for in this recipe. So we're going to be peeling the ginger roots and we'll cut the interior into small pieces. This will increase the exposed surface area of your ginger and will help extract as much gingerol as we can. Gingerol is the major compound present in ginger. It gives it its distinct flavor. Gingerol is also responsible for the antioxidant present in ginger. It has a long list of health benefits and can help maintain a healthy immune system. Ginger has a very long history of use in various forms of traditional and alternative medicine. Ginger is best taken in its raw form, and this is a great way to do that. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. To get the most of all the benefits of ginger, it is best to consume this herb in its raw, fresh form because oftentimes a lot of its benefits are lost from cooking. So it is safe to say that this is one of the easiest ways to include fresh ginger into your diet. If you're still watching up to this point and haven't subscribed or hit the like button, please subscribe and hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. Once you're done peeling your ginger, you're going to pour your fresh ginger pieces into a cup. You can use any food-safe jar or bottle for this process. Next, you're going to fill it up with cold water and cover. This will be going into the fridge for at least 3 hours. Ginger cold brew is actually quite light, so you don't need to brew this for too long. This is after 3 hours and I'm serving it up. Then I'll add some honey to sweeten it. Honey is actually optional because this tea has such a pleasant flavor. If you do give this a try, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Until my next one, bye.